miniaturization of optical and mechanical components, as well as fully integrated devices, can bring great benefits. Today, additive manufacturing facilitates the fabrication of photonic devices and micro-optics directly on photonic systems. This novel technology of 3D direct laser writing is based on two-photon polymerization. Here, a laser scans and solidifies a photoresin layer by layer, forming a microlens. Use the advantages of microprinting for highly precise optical components fabricated in a one-step process. Reach faster data transfer with higher data rates via photonic wire bonds. Print devices for miniaturized systems with the highest degree of design freedom. Nanoscribe's 3D printer provides novel solutions for ultra-precise manufacturing of integrated systems, for example, for faster data communication or higher resolution optics in mobile devices. Contact us to discuss your idea. We make small things matter.